Hello, my name is Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. As is usual at this time of year, I stop looking at my daily charts and instead concentrate on the longer term view, using my weekly, monthly, even yearly charts. If you'd like to discuss any of these, I'd only be too happy to hear from you. So let me now introduce today's longer term chart. Today I'll be looking longer term at New York coffee. Until 2024, the key patterns here in this market had been the 2021 to 2022 diamond pattern, a little lopsided as a pattern but still there, and to a lesser extent the 2016 to 2021 bump and run reversal pattern type. However, these are now past history, as a new pattern has taken centre stage, if admittedly with a shaky start. This is the dark blue highlighted on my monthly chart, 2019 to 2023 bullish Andrews pitchfork. This pattern has repaired itself after an earlier break on the downside and shows the overall bullish angle of attack of this market. Right now prices are between the middle tine below, currently at 286.60, and the upper tine above, currently at 362.30. It is a relatively steep bullish pitchfork, and I consequently am also tried looking at placing a less aggressive bullish shift pitchfork for the same move on my monthly chart, but I found that this pattern had been violated on the top side and thus would not work. So what you have there is this steep bullish Andrews pitchfork, and that is all. That doesn't work, that will be the end of it. Now, there is one other pattern that has disclosed itself, formed over 2022 to 2023, and that is a double bottom pattern, Adam and Eve type. It's a matter of record when prices broke higher above and out of this pattern in April 2024. The market reached the primary target X at 235 even during the same month, but the harder to reach secondary target 251.60, well, that took until last July to reach. The final item I would like to draw your attention to is the action seen just recently in December 2024. This past December has ended up as a long-legged, indecisive doji cross, right at the top of the market, which to me automatically deserves a question mark on the move higher in December. Yes, it is at a new all-time highs, and you could possibly look at it as a second month in a 2-month descending hawk pattern, a pattern tending towards bullishness. But it is also some heavy-duty indecision seen right at the top of the market, and that should not be ignored. Additional to this, the market high stalled at the significant 50% projected Fibonacci line at 347.25. Something else that should not be ignored, though I grant you we are still above May 2011's high at 308.90. It nevertheless deserves a bit of caution on this move higher, just in case it may start going sideways. Thank you for watching and listening. This annual broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and at the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.